Well, we got us another one up here in the rocks. I said we weren't going to we weren't going to walk. We weren't going to work in the rocks anymore. Try saying that 3 times real fast. But it looks like the piling rotted off back here, or wasn't put in deep enough. It didn't have piling wrap on it. You can see the outside piling over there is also leaned over also. So we're going to remove all those poles, go back with some 8-inch, 9-inch, 35-foot poles. We're going to piling wrap them, put a new Golden Sea Drive 14,000-pound lift in here. And right here in the front, going to put a couple boat stop bumper poles. I don't know if you can see, but the current, it's not running real bad right now, but the current runs bad through here in the intercoastal waterway. Makes it really difficult to dock the boat. So you'll be able to run your boat right into those poles, hit the remote control on the boat lift, and lift the boat up without having to run into the dock or try to hold it steady while it's being picked up. Guys, we got shut down on this job because of some issues with the quick coupler. We had some rusty parts on it, so we've actually started working on it. We got most of it put together now, so y'all check it out. Appreciate you checking out the page out. This is a change out of the safety coupler on the back side of a quick coupler on a Cat 308. And that's so you can do a quick disconnect as far as, you know, taking the vibratory plate off, putting a bucket on, whatever you want to do, instead of popping all the pins out, which anybody that's done that knows that is no fun. Takes some time. Okay, I'm going to stay dry up here. Go ahead and cut it. I got faith in you. Why y'all passing everything off? You'll be good. It's only 13 foot of water. Yeah. Good strong current. We'll be all right. We'll be all right.
Cars will stop it.
Yep. Is this where I need to stop the video and put to be continued? Down the splash. Oh man.
Yeah,
all that build up for nothing.
With that board we put in right there.
It's still hooked on this side, isn't it?
Well, that's right at that block.
Now we got all our tractor problems taken care of. We've moved to the outside lift poles. Dug down there as far as I can reach. It seems like there is a mixture of rock and sand, so that's better. It's not just all rocks. So we're getting our piling wrap put on our pole. That'll go underground and in the water, keep the borer from beating it. And we've got 35-foot long piling here. Well, with a lot of effort, we got all of the boathouse poles in. Got a couple mooring poles, or not mooring poles, but dock poles on the outside also. And got part of the lift put up. So we're going to take an early day today, or half a day today on Friday, and go grab some lunch and get back out again tomorrow. Give you a shot of these rocks and kind of see what all's down there. It was a lot of fun, a little bit of a challenge. Especially with the diameter poles. We got 10-inch top poles, the skinny end, so big butts on them, and it's down 15 foot of water and some big old rocks down there. And the outside poles are 35 footers. Here's the completed pictures of this job over here. We got her knocked out. Boat's already in the slip. Everything is fitting just well. The through flow decking really made a nice addition to this project. A lot larger platform, down low to the water, and cool on feet. You can see how the boat stop bumper poles are working real good. They bring the boat in here, which is really a good advantage if the current is flowing this direction. they can let the boat run right into it. You can see the currents whipping through here right now, and you ain't gotta worry about the boat running up on top of the dock and all that. New outside catwalk, wear deck decking, through flow decking. Golden Sea Drive Boatlift. You know it's done right when it's done with Dale's Marine and Golden. Guys, appreciate you checking out my channel. If you would, give me a subscribe and a thumbs up, and let me know what you think of it. We got plenty more coming right after this. I don't think I ever got a completion shot after landscaping was done on this project, but look, yeah, it really turned out nice. This is a beautiful terracing of the hillside here. Here's a couple previous jobs we did. Just want to share them again because I think they look so good. This is quite a hillside right here. And we're stabilizing it, so don't have to worry about any erosion in the future. And got good areas to use on the side of the hill now, which I didn't have before. See, I did a triple whaler system, 3 rows of it, turned on edge for maximum strength. Several weep hole areas in here to relieve the pressure off the retainer wall. What is it, guys? Ready for a pup cup? Huh? Ready for a pup cup? Here. You wanna try it? Y'all love that? I think success.
No.